Hi there farmers and tractor lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most trusted workhorses in the agricultural world, the Kubota M7040, now refreshed for 2025. Whether you're plowing fields, hauling bales, or doing loader work, the M7040 has long been a favorite for its balance of power, reliability, and comfort. But how does the 2025 model stack up? Let's find out. First off, a little background. The Kubota M7040 has been a staple in Kubota's utility tractor lineup for years. Known for its 70 horsepower output and excellent fuel efficiency, it's ideal for medium to large operations that need versatility without sacrificing maneuverability. For 2025, Kubota has not reinvented the wheel, but they've definitely refined it. You're getting the same core DNA, but with several upgrades that matter to real-world users: improved hydraulics, enhanced operator comfort, and updated emissions compliance without compromising performance. Engine and performance of the 2025 M7040 is powered by a 4-cylinder, 3.3-liter Kubota V3307T engine. It delivers a rated 70 horsepower and meets the latest Tier 4 final emissions standards thanks to a combination of exhaust gas recirculation (EGR) and diesel particulate filter (DPF) technology. The best part: the emissions system is automatic and low maintenance, so you spend less time worrying about regeneration cycles and more time getting work done. Torque has been slightly improved from the previous model year, making the M7040 even better at pulling and powering PTO-driven implements like balers and mowers. And yes, it still includes a dual-speed 540/540 PTO to maximize fuel efficiency during light-duty tasks. Transmission of the 2025 Kubota M7040 comes standard with an 8F/8R synchronized shuttle transmission, but you can opt for the Hydraulic Shuttle if you're doing a lot of loader work. The Hydraulic Shuttle is especially useful for tasks requiring frequent forward-reverse movement, think loader work or snow removal. Smooth, clutchless shifting between directions saves time and reduces fatigue, particularly during long workdays. Top speed sits around 18.6 miles per hour, 30 kilometers per hour, which is perfect for field-to-field travel or roadside work. Hydraulics and loader performance: the hydraulics have been beefed up for 2025. You now get 2 standard rear remote valves, with the option to add a third. The open center hydraulic system delivers a total flow of 16.7 gallons per minute (GPM), giving you more responsive implement performance. If you're using the Kubota LA1154 loader, which is purpose-built for the M7040, you will love the lift capacity of over 2,400 pounds at the pivot pin. That's more than enough for big round bales, heavy pallets, or feed totes. And yes, quick attach compatibility means you can easily swap between buckets, forks, and other implements. Cabin comfort and controls inside the cabin: and yes, a cabin model is available. The 2025 M7040 brings some nice updates. You've got improved climate control, redesigned seating with better lumbar support, and a more intuitive dash display. Even the placement of levers and controls has been tweaked for better ergonomics. Noise levels are impressively low, thanks to extra insulation and quieter engine tuning. Whether you're running hay in July or snow blowing in January, the cab is built for year-round comfort. For open station fans, the platform is wide and clear, with anti-slip rubber mats and an adjustable seat that keeps things comfortable even without the cabin. Build quality and reliability: Kubota is known for its durability, and the M7040 is no exception. The cast iron front axle is designed for heavy loader work, while the reinforced chassis ensures minimal frame flex. Maintenance is simple: easy access to oil filters, air filters, and the battery means daily checks take just minutes. Many users report logging over 5,000 hours on older M7040s with minimal issues, and with Kubota's strong dealer support and parts availability, you're investing in a machine built to last. Pricing: the base 2-wheeled open station model starts around $42,000 USD, while a fully loaded cab 4-wheeled version with loader can push upwards of $58,000 to $62,000, depending on your options and dealer incentives. If you're looking for a midsize utility tractor that combines reliability, efficiency, and real working power, it's not the flashiest machine on the market, but it gets the job done day after day, season after season. If you enjoyed this review, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, so you do not miss any future reviews. Until next time, stay safe and keep farming smart. Goodbye.